Miekles production.
Hello? Wadi? Wada Gupi? Uripi? Inyanga? Uripi? Kariba? Oh, une boys. Uriku Victoria Falls. Great Zimbabwe. Chinoy Girls. Macho Force. Tourism iyoyo mu Zimbabwe iri kunaka.
Honourable Minister of State for Provincial Affairs and Devolution, Advocate Miekles Park. It is with great pleasure and privilege to extend a well welcome to you, Honourable Minister Rwodzi, here represented by the Deputy Minister of Tourism and Hospitality Industry, to Miekles Province, fondly known as Kumakomoyo, the Eastern Highlands, the home of mystery and diversity. And indeed, I would like to call it the home of the tourism industry. Because mukaenda kumahotera kose, even kuna Victoria Falls kupi, muchaona kuti vanhu variko vazhinji ndivana wasu. Tisu takabata hospitality industry in the country. And it's not a mistake, because generally vana wasu vanhu vakanaka. So, Honourable, muri kuvanhu vakanaka, vane rudo nemi. It is indeed an honor to join you at this very important occasion, the provincial launch of the domestic tourism festive season campaign, Uripi, Ungapi, and as the Shtaura watching there. Fellow colleagues, allow me at this juncture to further extend my sincere gratitude to the Minister of Tourism and Hospitality Industry and the Zimbabwe Tourism Authority for coming up with such a brilliant initiative that we believe will boost domestic tourism travel in our region, in our province, and the country at large.
Ladies and gentlemen, Uripi, Uripi we, Unani, very good. Kunevasikazi utongisho ndiani, tongisho ndini, Zita rangu rendonzi Tongai Mnangagwa. Ndini deputy vari kunzi vauya vakapfeka magogo aya nhasi. Ndatumwa nabosi wangu Honourable Barbra Rwodzi, vari minister vangu vetourism, kuti tinge tiri kuno chiparira chirongwa chedu che domestic tourism festive season, domestic tourism campaign. Saka sekutaura kwaita mukoma wangu chaverenga zvandatumwa pano handiti. Ladies and gentlemen, His Excellency the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe and the Commander-in-Chief of the Zimbabwe Defense Forces, Dr. Mnangagwa, pronounced that Zimbabwe shall work to become an upper middle income country by 2030. As Zimbabweans, you all have a key role to play in achieving this vision. As the Minister of Tourism and Hospitality Industry, together with the Zimbabwe Tourism Authority, we are here to announce an exciting new venture, the Domestic Tourism Festive Season Campaign, ZimBho, Uripi, a program aimed at shaping the development and promotion of tourism as we journey towards achieving the national vision, which is Vision 2030. The overall goal of the campaign is to drive economic growth through encouraging locals and Zimbabwean diaspora community to travel within our borders with this festive season as they partake in various activities. The Domestic Tourism Festive Season Campaign, ZimBho, feeds into the target of the 5 billion tourism economy by 2025 as set in the National Tourism Recovery Growth Strategy. The National Tourism Recovery Growth Strategy is an initiative by His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe, Dr. Mnangagwa, which is aimed at growing the tourism sector, increasing its contribution to the national economy. For the campaign to achieve tangible results, we've set multifaceted strategic objectives. These objectives aim to foster a travel culture in our citizens, promote various clusters of tourism such excursions, rural sport, religious tourism, thus unlocking the incredible potential of the domestic tourism, hence boosting our economy. Through this campaign, our primary objective is to promote local tourism and instill a culture of traveling amongst our fellow citizens. We want to encourage the Zimbabwe diaspora community as well as the Zimbabwean local community, which would have typically sought vacations beyond our borders, to explore the wonders of our own nation. The growth of tourism in a country is championed by its own people. What we usually do, vakawanda, we travel kwenda unana Cape Town, unana Dubai. Tuti this festive season ngatimbotenderai muno manditi. Mari dzatono siyakunze kwenyika dziadza create employment muno. Mari tenderere muno economy yedu isumuke. 5 billion iri kutaurwa nezvayo hatigone kuyachiva tikasashanda tese Zimbabweans. We see immense potential for different domestic market segments, including families, couples, friends, religious communities, to indulge in and enjoy Zimbabwe's tourism offering this festive season. Ladies and gentlemen, the possibilities are endless. From embarking on daily excursions, visiting various attractions, engaging in different tourism activities, savoring on our local gastronomy, partaking in the relaxation and recreation activities, visiting friends and relatives in different parts of the country. This can be in Inyanga, Onde Valley, Chipinge, Kumusha kwa Nyamaroba, Ovumba, Chimanimani, Osborne Dam, Buhera, Mwatandi, Parusape Apo, Kana Padora, Pasere Apo, here in Mutare. Spend at least one night at various accommodation facilities, recreational parks, and in the national parks in your vicinity. Traditionally, Zimbabweans have used the festive season as an opportunity to visit our loved ones, participating in family traditions, cultures, activities, and experiencing the unique ambience of our growth points. Of course, others will choose to explore the various tourism resorts that the country has to offer. It is in this context that the wide range of tourism products and services that Zimbabwean tourism market offers that are gathered, everyone that has gathered here. I'm actually very pleased today, ladies and gentlemen, to launch the domestic tourism festive season campaign in Manicaland. ZimBho. I'm glad to say that the ministry is working towards the Zimbabwean Tourism Fund, a vehicle which will be used for tourism development. The funds will be apportioned accordingly in response to where there is need to develop tourism in terms of infrastructure or in terms of promotion. As a ministry, I urge the tourism industry to be committed to providing value for money for both domestic and local international visitors. The industry has pricing issues which many people have been complaining about,